Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a quick review of GTS 2, the new version. And the watch that I have in my hand is Pink Petal. This is a new colored combination. The Pink Petal comes with 35.6, which is 9.7 millimeter. It's a square dial, and obviously it is a metal frame, but it is made out of the frame. The back of the frame is plastic. It is 5 ATM water resistant, and the display screen is AMOLED with a PPI of 341 pixel per inch, and it has a battery size of 246 mAh and supports magnetic charging cable, 2-pin charger, and at the same time, it takes about 2 hours to charge. And usually, with moderate usage, it will last for about 20 days. That's what Amazfit claims. And it has got a series of sensors attached to this watch, which is air pressure sensor, accelerator sensor, gyroscope, and ambient light sensor. Comes with Bluetooth 5.0 and supports wireless LAN, which is 2.4. So let's go ahead and see, what are the different supported watch faces that it comes in this watch. So I want to hold it out in the middle. And the black dial is the default option. You have a Cosmos Earth version, and I want to hold it. You have digital dials as well. And finally, I've got a very colorful dial, right, which talks about different pointers in the dial. It has date, it has time, calories burned, heart rate, and it shows you the power percentage of the battery utilized and the time. So now let's go ahead and check in terms of the various features of this watch primarily, right? And what we're going to see is we're going to scroll down from the bottom, from the up, right? So when we scroll down, similar setup. You have flashlight settings, you have do not disturb, you have power usage, you have theater mode, you have find my phone, you have lock settings, and you also have the automatic brightness, and I can manually select the brightness at the same time. I hit the main crown button, it goes back to settings. I hit the main screen, it comes here on the top. Let's go ahead and look at the apps layout that the watch has. Now, the best part of GTS 2, and I will talk about the key selling points of this watch, right? See, this watch has a Bluetooth receiving option. You cannot make calls, but during the course of this review, we'll talk about the Bluetooth phone call features that the watch has. It has a curved bezel-less design. It has a real-time SpO2 sensor. It has an all-round health and fitness tracking with inbuilt GPS dual band. It comes with music storage and playback, which supports oxybeats and a 27th heart rate monitor. So it's an all-rounder package for the fitness enthusiast, as well as people who like lifestyle and fashion and trendy. So I think the company has looked into all aspects before designing this watch. Now let's look at the apps layout of this watch. So if I hit the crown button, and you can see the different apps layout it has, right? It has the consolidated Pi score, which is very important, where it tells you based on your exercise pattern, the personal intelligence score, right, which tells you about your workout score that you've achieved. You go back, you come to heart rate, SpO2, workout. Once you work out, it will store your activities. It has stress. All their stress is monitored automatically. Music. In music, you could see either you can play from the playlist or the audio source, which is connected to the Bluetooth. You can have my collection, or you can play directly from the watch, and you can add the songs here. And I'll tell you later how to do that, right? And further back, if you go again, crown button. You got weather. Currently in Bangalore it's 21. And then got events. You can actually have to set up those events from the Zepp app. And you got settings. Now under settings, which is very, very important, right? Mostly we have widgets and settings, but under settings you have got watch face settings, network and connections for Bluetooth, pairing, display and brightness, sound and vibration, and user preference. Now in user preference, either you can map a quick app, like if you want to hit any of those first buttons, right, which you want to ensure that the first time you hit the crown, that particular app rolls out. And it has 6 workout detection, right, categories in terms of walking, running, outdoor cycling, pool swimming, elliptical trainer. But I'll tell you one beautiful thing about this watch is, even if you're jogging, right, it detects treadmill. Now that is a fantastic option, that the watch has the capability to detect treadmill even though it is not mentioned here. And that's pretty much about the layout. They have kept it very, very simple. So if you see, I had done the continuous treadmill mode and it has auto detected a treadmill option. Now if I do continue, because I've been walking out for the last 12 minutes, and you can see how the data populates, right? So 12 minutes, it's still active. For demonstration, I've not switched it off. 0.83 is the distance covered. 124 is the current heart rate, because as I talk to you, I have been working out live for you guys. And it's in the fat burning module, you could see here. And if I go up, I just want to go up a bit, you could see average speed, 110 calories. And obviously once I run again, you could see the speed again, right? And the average speed is 3.89 kilometer per hour. You can see live and the total cadence based on the heart rate monitor, right? Now if I just go back, which is left to right, always remember in GTS 2 new version, I can end, I can pause. If somebody calls, I can increase the volume. And lock screen is a very important feature, right? Which is different from the old version and the new version. The new version has a lock screen. If I hit lock screen, I can screen lock it, right? And again, I have to hold it for it to open up, right? This version was not available in any of the versions earlier. So this is one fundamental difference in the GTS 2. So I wanted to show you the workout mode. So I'm going to hit back again here. Now I'm going to go to workout. And I'm going to end this. I'm going to go back now and let's see how we do it in the manual mode. Hit workout, come to elliptical, and just hit go. And I'll start working out. You can see how the calories are being burned and the heart rate increases. Real-time heart rate increase. You can see that, guys. It's very important for a GPS watch to ensure that your heart goes up based on your heart activity, and if you lower your speed, the heart rate, you can see, will come down. I've stopped doing the exercise and you can see there is a drop in the heart rate. Let's look at the notification of this watch. How does it work, right? So if I scroll from bottom to up, you get the notification counter that comes in here, and that's how the notification. Now if I scroll from left to right, you get the Amazon Alexa that can look into it, alarm, weather, the pi score, the heart rate, activity goal, SpO2. Hit the crown button, and if I scroll from right to left, you get the cards, pi, activities, how much you've walked, distance, and your goal. And this is to measure your heart rate, your weather, the music I showed you, and again back to the cards. Now if I double click on the crown button, let's look at Alexa. It's connecting. Hi Alexa, What's the weather today? So it doesn't talk, but it tells you in Bangalore, Karnataka, it's 22 degrees Celsius and should have cloudy skies with the moderate thunderstorms with a high of 29 degrees and a low of 20 degrees. And have a great weekend. So this is how Alexa works. Now let's look into the different workout modes that is there in this watch, right? I'm going to hit the crown button. I'll come to workout. It's supposed 90 plus workout modes. You can see it very clearly. It has outdoor running, walking, treadmill, indoor cycling, pool swimming, open water swimming. So what happens if I click walking? See, automatically the GPS strength is so good, right? And you can see that the GPS instantly connects, even though I'm sitting inside the house. And if I hit go, this is the layout, typically how it looks like, right? It talks about duration, steps, distance, warm up, calories, cadence, pace, average speed. I want to hit back the crown button. I can go back. Now, one more thing. So if I go to workouts and I select, this particular workout, you see it already stored some data from the previous run automatically, right? Now, if I swipe from right to left, I've still not ended the workout. So which means you can open other screens while you are doing the workout. So which means you can listen to music, you can browse anything in the watch, any of those apps, while the workout detects automatically at the background. This is a very powerful feature because a lot of not watches in this category allows you to do multitasking while you're working out. Either you can listen to music or you can work out, but in this watch, you can go there and do whatever you want with the apps installed. Now, if I want to stop it, I just have to scroll from left to right. See, again, from left to right, and I can end, I can pause, I can lock the screen for water, and I can also add voice, right? In terms of if I get a call, if I have to, attend the calls, I can increase the volume. So that's pretty much it. So I'm going to end it. Once I end the workout, it stores in the activity list. So I hit the crown button again, and let me go to the activity list. Right now, I have not done a proper detailed workout. It is less than 2 minutes, so it has not captured the workout data. But should you do the workout for 10 minutes, you will have the details in this section. So let's come to the Zepp app module and understand how does the music get loaded through the module. The good thing is, you don't need wires to connect or pair a third-party device to transfer music to the watch. You can directly download music to the Zepp app in your phone and transfer it wirelessly to the watch here, right? So how do we do that, right? So we go to the watch module in the Zepp app. We scroll down, we come to an option called music. You can see here, right? Once you come to the option called music, you click music, upload music, right? So if I do plus, it will allow the different folders in my phone where I have stored the music through the MP3, and automatically it syncs the music to the watch, right? That is how it works. It syncs the music to the watch. So all you have to do is you have to store it in the Zepp app, and over cloud using Wi-Fi, it transfers this in this watch. So GTS 2 new version has 50, which is 50 meters you can submerge, but we have just dipped it in the pool. It's 5 ATM water resistance. You can dip it further and you can see still it is working fine. Still working fine. So let's just check the, I'm always having the microphone near the watch. Let's see the clarity of the watch calling capability. So TECHIEMADAM is calling me. I'm going to accept it.
Hello?
Hey, hi TECHIEMADAM. Can you hear my voice? Is it clear?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Wow. Looks like the call quality is good. You can hear me properly, right?
Yeah, it's very good. It's very good.
So you have the ability to silent the call, or you can also increase the speaker. All right, Techie Madam, thanks for calling. So finally, so what is so special about this watch? I think it appeals to the unisex people. I mean, whether a boy or a girl, anybody can wear this watch. They have intelligently done the coloring, right? They have not got through the original gold or silver. They've kept it pink petal, and this pink petal is a very subtle color. As you could see, both boys and girls can wear it, irrespective of the gender. It is a very stylish matte finish texture, because then it avoids any scratches or dents, and it has anti fingerprint infringement on the display of the watch. And one more thing, that the linear motor of this watch is extremely improved, so the response is pretty damn fast. So that's all about the GTS 2 new version. I hope you like the video. So if you like the video, please share, subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching.